Yippee! It's my tote bag. Gonna make pasta. Hello, today we're gonna make our own pasta. Whee! Show the bread.
Molino Marino.
0-0.
What do we do for this part?
It's cooking mode. Yep, we do. Wow.
Master
Just
Chef Annie.
Oh my god, I can't believe I actually, this was my dream during the pandemic.
Wait, I think I did it all by myself.
Oh yeah. Wow, so sweet. Thank you, Kat, for the wine. Wow.
All right, madam.
Yep.
These are your choices of beverages for the night. Only the finest beer imported from Italy. And how can we forget? Hand-delivered Australian wine for my wife.
Very nice.
Excellent pour, if I say so myself. Very special night. I brought out only the very best of bottle openers.
Dun, 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 dun. Very nice.
Cheers.
Cheers
To my honey pie.
to my boo bear. Happy first month of being married. Yay!
Happy first month, my dear.
Happy first month.